Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to fix no sound in Premiere Pro. In order to fix no sound in Premiere Pro, you could follow these steps. So what you could do is, first of all, you could launch the application and go to edit and make sure to change some of the preferences settings, and there you could be able. If not, what next you want to do is you simply want to actually go ahead and make sure to check the sound settings. You want to open up the search and type in sound settings, or you could just go ahead and open up the settings itself. Here you could go ahead and make sure to select the default ones. You need it, so you want to scroll down and go to more audio or more sound settings. When you are taken to this section, you could see a pop-up window right off here. So here you want to go ahead and click on playback and make sure to select or make sure to see whether there is your default ones. If you are unable to find it, so you want to right click on the mouse and you want to click on the show disconnected devices as well. After which you could go to recording and here as well right click on the mouse and do the same process. Make changes with that, and if you are sure about it, click on apply, click the OK button, and that should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could actually try running the program as an administrator. So for that, what you have to do is you simply want to open the Premiere Pro. Here you want to go to open file location, and next what you have to do is you simply want to right click on the mouse once again and go to properties. As you are taken to this page, you want to go to compatibility, and here you want to click or make sure to select run this program in compatibility mode, and make sure to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click the OK button. That should be able to help you out. Despite doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, you want to make sure to uninstall. For that, open up a search bar, type in add or remove, locate Premiere Pro, click on the three-dot icon right next to it and uninstall it, and go to the browser or go to the web store and install it once again, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.